Newsflash.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get used to it, I'm vlogging the whole day. Okay, so in my last video I promised you guys that I would give you the tea on the candle business, and I have yet to deliver that. So today we're actually going, what?
Today is the day.
Today's the day, as my dad says, and we are going candle thrifting for some vintage glass and other commodities.
Stuff we can't afford.
Stuff we can't afford. So I thought I'd take you guys with me and show you the inside scoop on how we do things here at Simple Ritual, where I make my parents slaves and box everything for me.
So tell me when you got that off.
Oh my god, can you see me in a cottage in the middle of nowhere, like just drinking tea all day and like reading? The thing that I love about antiquing is that everything has a story, and so until you pick it up and you look at it, like you can just really get a feel for like where it came from and what it could be, and that's why I love this business that I made. So pretty. Look, it's got sheep on it. Hello. How are you? Good, how are you?
Good, good.
I was wondering if I could would you do 10 for it?
I will.
Awesome.
What there? Oh, that's so nice.
So beautiful.
You know, the second to last day. And
Yeah.
there's so much good stuff out there. I know I went through myself. It's wow. You can wash it when you get home.
Yeah, I will for sure. It's pretty too.
Yeah.
I'm always wary about these though, because the edge, sometimes I'm afraid that it's not going to burn properly, but I guess if you only fill it to here.
How are you doing at the antique market today, Kayla?
Doing well, thank you for asking. Got a lot of nice little bits for the next launch.
Very good.
Yeah.
Any really amazing finds?
A couple of really nice ones, but some of them we didn't get just because we're not sure how they're gonna sell. We're home now. I'm gonna show you guys what I got today. My dad's standing behind us ready to wash everything. So here's the first thing. Can you focus? Come on, don't be rude. Here we go. We went to this one lady. We offered her like $5 for this jar, and she was like, do you think I stole this? And we were like, what? And then she was like, yeah, like I have to make some money. And I'm like, there's no price on it. And So we didn't, no, we did buy it.
No, that was the brass one I never bought.
Oh yeah, we didn't buy it because she was rude. This lady was nice. I know you guys love these, so I got another one in this really pretty yellow color. All you can see is the bottom of my face. I'm like one of those Charlie Brown characters. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, we're gonna just level up here. Oh, much better. Okay, next we have this glass set. So here's the dish. And here's one of the little sugar containers. We have this little creamer. So this plus the dish. Then I got this really pretty silver tin. Like, amazing. Stunning. This one's got like a nice gold design on the outside. Another sugar and creamer. Look at this. Like, it's just beautiful. What did they say about this one? Do you remember? Was it?
It was called flat glass, I believe.
Flat glass?
She said to look it up on eBay because they are worth
It's very expensive. We got this nice crystal with the silver edge. This is like a big boy. Ah,
Oh yeah. With the silver tray, right?
yeah, with the tray. I love this one. I think it's gonna look so good.
Yeah, too, so I'm glad we didn't pay more for that silver one.
Isn't that nice?
Look at the end. Over there.
That's all.